Hi everyone and welcome back to Login Science. Well, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to change default search engine in Google Chrome. All you have to do is follow this process. So let's dive into the video. First, you need to open Google Chrome and do search for any term. So let me tap on the address bar and let me search for Wikipedia. You can search any term of your choice. Here you can easily see that the Google is my default search engine, and now in order to change this search engine, all you have to do is click on the three dot on top right corner. Then you need to tap on settings. You'll get to see the option of search engine in basic section. All you have to do is click on it. Here you can see that my default search engine is set to Google, so in order to change it, all you have to do is click on the option that is given in this search engine. Suppose I would like to set the search engine to Bing, so all you have to do is click on this option. Now let me go back and search for any term. I'm gonna search for Wikipedia once again. Here you can see that your term is opened in bing.com. So Bing is my default search engine right now. Well, this is it, and you can easily change your default search engine with this process. Thank you for watching it till the end. We'll come up with the similar videos. Till then, stay safe and take care.